Designing kitchens, bathrooms and laundries is easier and more efficient with the Oliveri BIM Library. Developed by Australia's leading BIM content specialists, IGS BIM Solutions. The Oliveri BIM Library delivers over 200 natively modelled Revit families, built for accuracy, project performance and real-world specification. Covering Oliveri's complete range of premium kitchen, bathroom and laundry products, the library includes sinks, basins, tapware, baths, showers, spouts, laundry tubs and bathroom accessories. Whether you're working on residential projects or large-scale commercial environments, the Oliveri Library ensures consistent, high-quality modelling across every space. At the centre of the library is the Virtual Showroom, a Revit project file with all families preloaded and logically arranged, making it easy to review products, compare options and insert content directly into your models. To support realistic visualisation, Oliveri Revit families utilise advanced physically based rendering materials, delivering accurate and consistent representation of product finishes across rendering platforms. For maximum flexibility, Oliveri Revit Content can be downloaded as individual families or curated collections and is available in multiple versions of Revit for greater compatibility. To access the growing library in real time and without ever leaving your project models, the library can also be accessed via the free bimcontent.com Revit plugin. Explore the full Oliveri BIM library today on bimcontent.com or the Oliveri website and simplify the way you design, document and visualize your projects. If you have any questions about the BIM library or Oliveri's extensive product range, please reach out to our friendly team and we'll be glad to provide the support you need.